Good morning. Welcome to another episode of Crebo's Fishing Adventures. It's been a while. I've just had so many things on lately, and the days I did fish, yeah, they were shocking days. Like, yeah, I got a donut there last weekend, and yeah, we had so much rain as well, so haven't been able to get out because either the weather's crap or I've had something on. So out here today, I got my bro here today. Hopefully we can get onto a few and finally get some content up so I can share with you guys. But yeah, I do apologise, but we'll see how we go today. Tune in. Let's get into it. Hey Crebo.
Hey.
How you going, mate?
Good, mate. What's up?
I hear you caught a dewy there the other day.
Oh yeah, just around the corner here actually.
Yeah, nice. How big did it go?
Well, we measured stick was 900 and it was over that, so I don't know, 95 maybe, 93 or something.
Yeah, sweet.
Second cast.
Second cast. See if we can get on one today, eh?
Oh, maybe. Should same area, so see what happens.
All right. Well, stay tuned, eh?
Yeah, man.
Well done. Come on. It's not real big though. Just got the brim prawn on, so I'm assuming it's a brim boo. Maybe not. It's a floody. Jesus. Okay. I don't want a floody on this. I don't want a floody on this. I've got 7 pound leader on, and if he's taking it deep, he might be in a bit of drama. So I'll just loosen off the drag a bit. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's probably up around that 60. Just got a cranky little sucker. Come on, mate. He's got those big head shakes, which I'm concerned he'll shred through that. But I think the hook, I can see the hook, it's just right on the edge of the mouths, which is good. And try and keep his head in the water. There we go. Well, he's in, but let's say I hope he stays in, eh? It's probably 600, I reckon, in the 60s. Oh. That's where you want to hook them if you got light gear. Here we go. He's flaring up. He's not happy. Okay, well the hook's out, which is one step. There we go. There we go. It's not a bad start. Nice looking flathead. Just shy of 60. It's about 59. So we'll take that. Look at him, he's got his fins up. He's not happy. He'll be ready to go. Be ready to swim away, this one. There she goes. Well, not a bad start. Got him on my new rod too. I got the Hyper, Diver Hyper. It's 1.5 to 3 kilo. I think that's 8-pound braid, and I got 7-pound leader. So I was going for flathead. No, sorry, brim, to be honest. But we'll take a flathead. Let's see if we can get some more, eh? Fish on, but I don't think it's big. Might be a brim, maybe. It's a brim, but it's only a small one. Just fishing over these shallows here. It's only 1.3 metres here. We've got a little brim on. There we go, taking on that brim prawn. Let's get a bigger one, eh? Always put a bit of scent on, especially when the bite's a bit tough, like it has been this morning so far. Just got the Samaki vibe on. Hopefully to pick up a flathead or a dewy if there's one floating around. We shouldn't say floating. Hanging around. There is a bit of cloud where the sun's coming up, so yeah, she's a bit chilly. Once that sun gets above that cloud, it'll be nice, eh? I'm just working this vibe. I tend to just do nice big lifts off the bottom, wind the slack in, lift it up, wind the slack in. Nice big lifts, about 1.5 metres I reckon off the bottom or something like that. Wait for that fish to jump on. That's all you can do, isn't it? Got one, guys. I reckon it's a floodie. What do you reckon? How big is it, girl? Oh, it is a floodie. A lot of head shakes. And he just pinned him by the looks of it. Just got him. Hopefully I can land it. Still a bit green, I reckon. It's probably in the, probably 500, just over 500 probably. I've just pinned him. Look at that, he spat out something. Come around this way. There we go. We got it. Look at what he's been spitting out. It's like little, I don't know what they are. That's what he's been spitting out. So I got him on that Samaki vibe. This is going to be interesting. There's so many hooks in these things. Come on, mate. There we go. There we have it. on the Smarky vibe. Give a measure. Yeah, it's like 53. So a 53 centimetre flathead on the Smarky vibe. Yeah, she's quite slow. Just starting to get a couple now. We'll just get some water in the gills of this fish. And then we'll let her go. There she goes. Beautiful. See what Gregory's got, eh? Might be another flathead.
No, looks like a bream.
Brembo?
Yeah.
Yeah, looks like a nice one, eh?
It's alright.
Like when they do those big swirls. Oh, it's a beauty. It's the high 30s.
Yeah.
I reckon, mid to high.
Yeah, I don't know. Been doing a lot of pauses, eh?
Oh yeah.
It's a bit slow in winter. I let it sit for a bit and then she took it. Yeah, probably about
35.
33 maybe.
Whee, nearly lost her.
Yeah, she's about 35.
It's a dark one, isn't it?
Yeah, she's dark.
Must be hanging around in the weed or something.
Yeah, she's 35,
35,
30,
36.
36, something like
Yeah, lovely.
that. She wants to go, I know that much. It's a good one. She go alright. It's ready to go, like, holy hell.
Well done, mate.
Yeah.
Well done, let's get another, eh?
Yeah, I let it pause a bit then.
Yeah.
And they took it on the pause, eh?
Yeah, sweet. Crabbo's on, eh? Gregory's on. I think it's a flathead. Maybe. Maybe not. He's playing it out, that's for sure. Rod's bending. The flathead. Flathead?
Yeah. I knew there was one here.
How big is it?
Maybe 600 or something.
Oh, that's alright.
Yeah. Beautiful day, eh?
Yeah. Oh, yes, alright.
Yeah. Dirly.
Careful.
Freaking leaping at me.
Oh, don't get it hook, can you?
Oh, yeah, what do you want me to do?
Hooked it well.
Yeah, lucky.
Yeah, nice. Pretty much
62.
62.
Yeah.
Sick.
Shit, I haven't got him.
Hey?
I haven't got him.
No.
Yeah, 62.
Well done.
Alright, eh?
Yeah. Bloody oath.
Ripper. Good eating. Well, not really, but.
on, Greg. Finally got one, eh?
Lost a few, lost a couple. I reckon I lost a couple of bigger ones too, but not that one anyway.
All right, mate. On here, I think. A little flooded, maybe. Ah, it's a little flounder. Every trip, Greg. This little sucker.
In a good spot when you get a flounder.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Strange looking critters, aren't they? It's there, mate. Catch anything anyway. Good. I don't know what I did. It didn't go on straight anyway. It's got a hind leg in it. You watch, I'll get massive fish. Oh no. I've got one. I was just about to say, I bet I'll get a massive fish.
What do you got?
7 pound.
7 pound. Spot on. Have you marked it yet? Everyone else did.
Hope I tied that hook on properly.
Hope I tied the hook on properly.
A bit rushed. Oh, plastic didn't go on straight. Had to put this right on, didn't I? Oh, bait junkie. Oh yeah, it's not too bad actually. Oh. Stay in. Let him 100 mile an hour there. You know what's going to happen now? I'm going to lose it. Shit. It's right down his gullet too. I'm going to lose this for sure. Yeah. Righto. Oh, look at that. Landed another one. Jesus. Okay, we've got ourselves a Flathead, ladies. Christ, how didn't I lose that? Did my best to just lose that one, didn't I? The old bait junkie never fails. There we go. Oh, yo, come on. Look at his fins up. He's flared. He's cranky. Nice looking fish. It's probably about high 50s. See you, mate. Didn't even get to measure it. See you, buddy. What do we got, Greg? Floody. Flying up a bit. A few head shakes. Not real big.
500 and something. Oh shit. He just wrapped around it and oh my god.
How you going?
Oh, you can't steer him in here. It keeps going away. He's doing his best to get off anyway.
Oh, that's all right.
Yep. 58.
58, eh? He's calling it. Nice gloves.
Thanks, man.
They come in men's. Get that hook in you, mate. Beautiful.
Yeah, it is pretty good hook.
Yeah, bloody oath. Good spot. So that leader needs to be changed again.
$58.
58. Well done. You said 58, didn't you?
Yep. Spot on.
Wow, you're incredible.
Oh.
Well done, Greg.
Thanks, mate. Okay, that's the day over. Caught mainly flathead today. Got a couple of bream, but mainly flatheads on the bait junkie and the Samaki vibe. But yeah, it wasn't a bad day. Hopefully we can get on the water again soon and catch some more. It's been a bit slow lately, like we spent a fair few hours on the water today and didn't get a huge amount, but put the hours in, you always get something. So yeah, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, we'll get you on the water next time. Peace out.